Greater Yellowlegs. This gray and white sandpiper is one of the largest and most conspicuous of our shorebirds. In flight, note its size, the white rump and tail. Its black, slightly upturned bill and long, bright yellow legs are the best field marks. Prefers marshes and mud banks to open beaches. The lesser yellowlegs, 10 inches, is very similar with a shorter bill. Willets, 16 inches, are larger birds with dark legs and conspicuous black and white wing markings in flight. Length, 13 to 15 inches. Female, larger, but similar to male.